Bon appetit.
What is this?
Space cake.
Why do they call it that?
You know, it's what the astronauts eat, like Tang.
I'm starving. It's a little dry.
Keep eating. It gets better. You sure you don't want any?
No. Never been high, never gonna be. It's a pretty good cake, though. Fucking excellent.
Nights in white satin, never reaching the end. Letters I've written, never meaning to send. Beauty I'd always missed with these eyes before. Just what the truth is, I can't say
Come on in here.
more.
You want me to?
Yes, you.
Yes, I love
Maybe you can help me.
Really?
I don't want a man who's chiseled and sculpted. I like soft and weak.
You do?
I want a man who's unemployed and went to a community college.
I am. And I did.
And you know what really turns me on?
What?
Is thinking about him in his tighty whities, sitting at his computer, and visiting different porn sites, and taking the free tour with no intention of ever joining.
I don't have a credit card.
Kiss my chest.
Okay.
Harder! Bite me!
You sure?
Harder! Bite me harder!